I'll show you how I generate consistent affiliate commissions with Systeme, even while I sleep. And no, I don't run paid ads, I don't have a team, and I certainly don't spend my day selling or scrolling social media. I've set up a relatively simple automated system, which has its pros and cons. I'm going to share the whole thing with you here in this video so you can generate automated commissions on Systeme.io. The problem, why do 95% of people fail when they try to set up an affiliate system? It's this. Very often they get an affiliate link that promises them a commission somewhere, and so they just post their link. They basically just throw it out there without any strategy behind it. There's no list building strategy, no email capture. They don't have any automation to then take over, and most importantly, well, they don't have a bonus offer, although that's not necessarily the most important point. But I'm also going to show you how I did it by setting up a bonus offer with my affiliate system. In this video, I'm going to show you my entire system. I'll show you all the steps, and most importantly, I'll show you two options. Then it's up to you to choose. Both work for me. I have both in place, and then you decide how you want to do it. Systeme offers an affiliate program. When you click the link in the description, you can sign up for free, and it basically just asks you to share their tool to get people to sign up for the Systeme tool. And every time a paid subscription is set up, well, Systeme pays you a 60% commission, right? So let's say a subscription costs 100 euros a month. Well, you're going to get 60 euros every month, for example, on all commissions, and that actually is for life. For now, that's the system they have in place. And so to participate, you just need to sign up. The link is in the description. It's free. You don't have to have a paid account. That said, it's better to know the tool to recommend it, but it's not a requirement in the rules, in the constraints of Systeme. Once you have your affiliate link and you've signed up for the affiliate program, you'll need a traffic source. You'll need to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that people click on it, and a certain percentage will subscribe to the Systeme.io tool using the link you have set up. To do this, you have several options. For your traffic source, you can use any type of platform. As for me, I've decided to use YouTube and have a dedicated YouTube channel on this subject. Why? Because the advantage of YouTube is that it works like a search engine. If you have videos that are more or less well ranked for topics or themes that people are searching for, then your video has a better chance or ability to stay relevant for as long as possible in the search engine. And so, well, the advantage is that you'll create a video today, for example, that might take you, I don't know, a day or an hour to make. And this video will live on for several weeks, months, or even years if the topic is relevant on the YouTube platform. And potentially this video you created today, well, maybe in 5 years, it will still be bringing you clicks, maybe subscribers to your list, and potentially commissions. So that's why it's worth having a YouTube channel. You can use other types of social media. Personally, I find that YouTube is also, so to speak, the most passive, meaning that once you've done all the research for the video topic, the SEO for the title, the description, the thumbnail, etc. Once that's all set up and your video is posted, well, then you just let the algorithm do its job, let the search engine do its job. You don't necessarily need to interact, send messages to an audience, answer questions, etc. But it's always good to create interaction in the comments. Well, you don't actually have to do all the work you would on any other type of network where you might have to be much more proactive. With YouTube, it's really passive, meaning that once it's set up, you just let people click and enter the system. If you use, I don't know, for example, DMs on Insta or Facebook or other platforms, well, that's much more proactive work. So you might increase your chances, but it requires a lot more work. When I set up this system, I wanted, quote unquote, no work. I wanted to take the time to make my videos. Once the video is posted, I don't look back and I move on to other things, other projects, other videos, other topics, whatever. Okay. So I do have my own YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, I post one video a week. I could post, ideally, I should be posting between 2 and 3 videos if I want to grow the channel. But then again, the goal isn't to burn myself out on this channel. So I post 1 video a week. Depending on the topics or how much time I have, I can often film 2, 3, or even 4 videos in a single day, which means my videos for the month are already done. And then, well, I don't really have to worry about it for the rest of the month. I just let the whole thing post automatically. Okay, so my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is going to post a video on a very specific topic, a tutorial, a current event, a how-to, or something that addresses a specific issue. And once the video is posted, in the video, actually, I have a link or several links that will direct you to 2 sources. So the 2 sources it will direct you to are as follows. Either I have a lead magnet, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. Otherwise, you can click the links in the video and you'll see exactly what that lead magnet looks like. Never, my lead magnet says, why? But he says, hey, here you go, take this for free. The idea is to show good faith and intentions to say, look, I'm not just here to drop an affiliate link for a commission. No, I've put in the work. I've built something that helps and saves you time. If you want the tool, it's yours, free of charge. Now simply click on the link provided here and enter your email address so that you can receive it. By doing this, I'm providing genuine value, establishing a sense of trust, and demonstrating a high level of professionalism. At the same time, I'm actively building my own personal database instead of just dropping a link on YouTube and saying, well, you'll have to figure it out, just click it, and that's all there is to it. Click, get the content I'm giving you, the lead magnet I'm giving you, the resource I'm giving you that will help you, and in exchange I just take your email address, and then for me it will allow me to build my own list, my own audience actually, based on that. And the second page I have, the second link I have actually, is a bonus page that might be a bit more direct in terms of marketing, in the sense that, well, there are people who are ready to sign up for a Systeme account. Okay, no problem. If you set up your account through my affiliate link, it's 100% transparent. It is an affiliate link. The goal isn't to hide anything from the audience, but to say, look, if you use my affiliate link to sign up for a paid Systeme.io plan under certain conditions, here are all the bonuses I'm giving you. I've created a bonus page where I show you everything you can get on top of your Systeme.io subscription, and it won't cost you anything extra. You won't pay more. You'll just pay for your Systeme.io subscription. But compared to an average person who just signs up for Systeme directly on the site, well, by using my affiliate link, here's everything I'm giving you, everything I'm offering you, so to speak. Okay, so how does it work? Well, I'm going to post a video in, if we look here, maybe the last video I posted. Let's just mute the sound. In the video, well, basically, I say, there you go, or watch how to add installment payments on Systeme. So Klarna is a payment solution. It's a 100% practical tutorial, okay? Say click here, click there, click to the right, click to the left, and in the description I say, if you want to create a free account, there's a link. It's an affiliate link, you see. Otherwise, you can get some resources that will help you. It's free. In that case, I clearly say, it's a launch kit. I'm giving you, funnels, templates, some other stuff, etc. Click here. If the person clicks here directly, they'll arrive on a page where they can leave their email address and first name and get templates, automations, sequences, etc. And then in the description, I'll say, look, if you want to move a bit faster and you're ready to upgrade to a paid plan, in that case, I have a bonus page. On this bonus page, for those who have decided to get a paid subscription with Systeme, I'm giving you all these bonuses. It's worth over 2,000 euros and so on. Basically, it doesn't cost you any extra, but you'll get additional bonuses to help you move faster. So when people come here and click, they'll land on one of these two pages. And then I've set up automations that say, if someone clicks, okay, if we're here and someone clicks, they'll get and the automation rules, I'll add a tag saying, this person has a tag, they've downloaded my free kit, they've grabbed my resource. On a essayé, I'm going to grant you access to this resource. Then I will trigger an automated sequence, which is a pre-written launch kit. It contains 21 emails. It's sent out daily or perhaps every other day. The goal is quite simple. You grab the free resource, so now you should actually use it. Here's what you can do with this free resource. Here's what Systeme also allows you to do if you use the free resources. Here are the different options, etc. And so these emails, every time, they link back to the free resource, and every time, in a subtle way too. The goal isn't to be heavy-handed. Subtly, there's an affiliate link that points to Systeme, which lets you say, if you want, you can always subscribe to Systeme, and here is what you can get. So once you've set up this system, okay, you've created your capture page. Where is it? You don't have to have a bonus page or both. The goal is to get started quickly. The main thing is to create videos quickly, even if you don't have your system in place, so to speak. This means you already have a video idea, but you don't have a landing page, you don't have a bonus, etc. Don't let that stop you. You need to launch your first video, because ultimately, that's your most important source of traffic. Start building your audience now. Once you've launched your first videos, you can always go back and change the links. It's not a big deal here, even if at the very beginning you just use a simple affiliate link. That is exactly how I got my own start, and it is not a big deal. You are in the process of building the habit of creating videos and growing an audience around a specific niche. I did the same thing myself, and then I updated my descriptions at a later time. I only added the links once my capture pages were fully prepared and ready to go. So I drive traffic there, they click on one of those pages, and then they enter an automation sequence where they'll receive emails and so on. So that's the system. It's in place. I have a traffic source, my YouTube video, and I have a lead magnet, the bonus or the lead magnet. And then once I have successfully secured those lead magnets, they automatically trigger a comprehensive email marketing campaign. You really need to let your automated emails do all the heavy lifting for you. After all, people simply aren't going to sign up just because they watched a video that tells them to click below. I mean, in a perfect world, that might actually work, but that is just not the reality we live in. The person sees the video and says, okay, that's great, I want that software. They click on it, subscribe right away, and you earn a commission. That's not how it works, and people need time to think too. They'll look for several videos, watch several videos. They'll have been watching, the video has been playing for 5-10 minutes. I already have 5, 6, 7 tabs. The 6 tabs already open. So people are going to see several videos, several tabs, and so on. That's why it's important to say, I'm giving you a launch kit. I'm giving you something that provides value. Yeah. And I'm already starting to build my own audience, which will then allow me to stay in touch with them and have multiple touch points, multiple entry points with this audience to allow them to click potentially to become, to be able to get the software using my affiliate link. Now, the real challenge once all that is set up, the real challenge is asking yourself, okay, what kind of video do I create next? How do I know if a video is good or not so good? It might be a video that doesn't get many views, but it could be a video that brings in a lot of clicks, a lot of people signing up for my list. It might be a video that gets me a lot of views and a lot of people on my list, but no commissions. So what I did was develop a completely automated system that I provide on my bonus page. When people sign up and use my affiliate link, well, I give them that system as a... okay. It's the entire system, and I've set up a system that lets me know exactly out of all those videos which ones are bringing me the most signups and the most clicks. That's easy. I can see it right in YouTube. I know that one. It brought in more views than this one, for example. You see, it only got 3.8, whereas this one, it got 20 times more views, right? And look, I know this is a video that gets views. So it's good to make videos that get views because I bring more people to the channel and potentially they might discover other videos that interest them. So YouTube gives me that. Now, what I want to know is, out of all these videos I have on the channel, which ones brought me the most signups for my list? And among those videos, which ones are actually bringing me affiliate commissions, actually converting people into affiliates? I've set up a system that I give you if you decide to go through the bonus, okay? This system allows me to capture all the emails of the people who have joined my email list and to know exactly using the source code which videos are bringing me results and where these clients, well, not clients, where these people who join my email list are coming from. I know that this person joined my email list after watching this video, that video, that video, and so on. Yeah. And then I know exactly which video, where this person is, whether they're an affiliate or not, and which video got them onto my list and then turned them into an affiliate. And afterwards, I can get statistics that tell me exactly which videos are performing best in terms of leads and which videos are performing best in terms of affiliates. And by tomorrow, the system will clearly indicate to me which of my videos is performing the absolute best. If it drives the highest volume of leads and affiliate signups, I will tell the AI, this video is a massive success. It is getting views, effectively building my list. Please provide me with a series of similar ideas. There is no need for us to reinvent the wheel at this stage. Let us also discuss the possibility of setting up installment payments. Well, maybe there is instead of Klarna. Maybe there's another solution. Well, I'll present an alternative to Klarna, or maybe I'll go into a bit more detail on the use of Klarna, etc. Because I saw that this video was a hit. Yeah, getting your channel off the ground can be incredibly challenging at the very beginning. You constantly find yourself asking the difficult question, what kind of video should I actually create next? Once you have finally built up a decent library of content, you can look at your YouTube analytics to see which specific videos are generating the most clicks and views. After that, you need to carefully analyze which of those videos are actually driving new signups. So do I really want more views, or am I prioritizing signups? Ideally, of course, you want to achieve both of those goals. But maybe the one that gets the most views, gets fewer saves, but it will allow me to bring more traffic to my channel and therefore potentially get them to watch other videos, which will then get them on my list. And so in this way, well, I then have video ideas. I create my videos. Once the videos are created, I put my links inside so I can, well, provide the resources. Because when new people sign up to the Graphic Seed, they join us a campaign and potentially become our affiliates. Then at whatever interval you happen to choose, whether that is weekly, monthly, or every 6 months, I will analyze my data. I'll see which video really took off, which was the biggest hit since since the start, and create more content just like it. Since this one drives signups, I'll focus on that and continue the process from there. And then, well, it's easy, so to speak. At least it's easier to create content. The hardest part at the beginning is just getting started. And if I had to recommend one thing, the first thing you should do is sign up for the affiliate program. There's a link in the description. Sign up, it's free. Once you've signed up for the affiliate program, if you want, you can go through my bonus. If you don't have an account, even if you have a paid account, you just need to switch accounts actually. If you upgrade to a paid account, you will receive my bonus. I will provide you with the entire system. I will walk you through the setup process step by step. Just follow along with me and click. You will see it is actually quite simple and easy to follow. And actually, the most important thing is to start making videos, or at least to start generating traffic. Choose whichever social network you want. Start generating traffic. At the very beginning, just send that traffic straight to your affiliate link, okay? And then you take the time to create. The goal isn't to create all that, the bonuses, the extras, and so on. I create our content first, but it's then the bonuses. And this way, I'm already building my system and generating traffic. That's the most important thing. I said, depending on the platform you choose, traffic generation can be more direct or passive. YouTube is quite passive, so there's less interaction. It's more of a one-way street, right? There isn't much interaction in the comments. But the core idea really is to be able to say, okay, I hear that my audience is struggling much more with this specific issue because I can clearly see that this particular style of video is really taking off. So perhaps I should tailor my lead magnet specifically to that type of video, okay? Or maybe I can create a specific lead magnet for this video or that one. Also, I don't recommend having too many lead magnets. It's best to have one lead magnet, ideally a bonus page, and then you put it on the stuff. Plus, it'll make tracking easier later, having just that instead of having 15 lead magnets, etc. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. That's how I operate, and it makes my life so much easier. Feel free to grab the bonus. I have placed behind the link in the description box below. You can also join the affiliate program for free. That link is in the description too. My launch kit is free, and it is my pleasure to share it. But subscribing makes me the happiest. I honestly love seeing this channel continue to grow. And if you happen to have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to answer absolutely every single one of them. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.